Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening accessibility controls so you can change magnifier behavior right now. Once in settings, find magnifier, zoom, or magnification. This is where size options live. Make sure you have admin access or the device PIN if prompted, otherwise you can't save changes. Now tap or click the magnifier entry to reveal its size and display options. Doing this first avoids wasted steps, and it prepares you to change size, or now adjust the magnifier size or turn it off. This is the core action. If a slider exists, drag it to a smaller percentage like 75% to shrink the view. If there's a drop-down, pick a lower zoom or window size. Alternatively, toggle the magnifier overlay off to remove the extra window entirely. Once you change settings, press Apply or Done and preview the screen. This confirms the new size behaves as expected and prevents surprises when you return to work or reading. Finish by confirming your choice and testing across apps. Some programs have their own magnifiers. If the change didn't take effect, restart the device to force the new settings to load. If something broke, reset accessibility defaults to recover original behavior, and then reapply your preferred size more conservatively. If an app still shows a magnifier, open its own view settings and adjust there. One quick tip: rebooting usually resolves persisting overlay glitches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.